Hello and welcome back to another episode of Code with Me, this recipe lab. Without further ado, let's get started. So we left off doing the instructions. So gonna go ahead and make another list. What to do to make biscuits. So step one, we're just gonna read over step one. Step one, take your cup of milk, cup of flour, 3 eggs, and mix them together in a bowl. Right? Step two, take your step two, pour your contents in a pan. Well, yeah. What do you call those? Like, type of, like it's a mold, right? Biscuit mold. In a biscuit mold. Mold pan. Step three. Put the pan in the oven and set. Well, step three should be like set the oven for 375 and wait for it to finish preheating. Okay. Step four, put the pan in the oven and wait for 30 to 40 minutes. We'll just say 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Step five, pull the pan out and let the biscuits cool. Step six, enjoy. Enjoy your biscuits, your homemade biscuits. Okay. Why do we got a gap on 3? What happened? I didn't close something. I didn't close you. I didn't close you. I didn't put a closing tag on you. There we go. Okay. Just looking over in the instructions. So that looks good. This look good. Look good. Look good. Look good. Look good. Okay. That looks good. Okay. All right. So where were we on here? So on order list, already did. Instructions, already did. 10. with at least 4. We got 6. Okay, we're overachievers over here. Done. Okay. And then you should have an element. An image element with a source attribute set to a valid image. I'm gonna put that image here. Source equal alt equals. Oh shit. I mean ship. I should not put that here. Oh. I should put it under the H2. Alright. There we go. Okay. There we go. We have the image, we have the source attribute set, and we have the alt attribute describing the image. Alright. Let's give it another look-see. We got that declaration. We have the HTML length of the English. We have the head inside the HTML element. We have the title element within the head, right? Your title element should have your recipe title. We do. Your meta element should have its chart set to UTF-8. We do. You should have a body element within your HTML tag. HTML element. That is right here. You should have an H1 element with the name of your recipe. We do. You should have only one H1, only C1, only at 1. Yep. You should have a P element below your H1. It's right here. Your first H2 element should have the text ingredients. Ba-bam. You should have an unordered list below your first H2. Unordered. Yep, unordered list right here. Boom. Make it a little tight. We should have at least 4 list items, elements in your unordered list with the ingredients. What? I don't. I don't have 4. Only got 3. So a cup of milk, 3 eggs, a cup of flour, biscuit mold. Biscuit pan. You need an oven. I'm gonna add these in there. That works. Crack myself out. Anyway, that should be enough. That's enough to cover this. You should have 4 list items. Your second item should be instructions. We got that. You should have an ordered list items below your second H2 element. We have that. You should have at least 4 list items. We definitely got that. We got like 6. You should have at least 1 image right here. All your image elements should have a valid SRC attribute and value. SRC is value set. It's not closed though. That is one thing. It's not closed though. All your image elements should have an alt attribute to describe the image, and it does. So we should have 100% on this, because everything seems like it checks out, except for one. Okay, 2 things. I missed 2 things. This is a closing tag. That's all it was. Is because this didn't have a closing tag. That's it. So doc type HTML, and then it's HTML lang equals in, and make sure your HTML has a closing tag. That's it. That's what I missed. All right. Well, thank you for watching and following along. If you was, appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Okay. Thanks.